steel plate. Some places friction plates are called disc plates. The plain one is plate and that blue one is dark shade is called friction plate or disc plate. Here you can see how it is constructed. This one is called friction plate or disc plate because this one containing friction materials, and this friction materials work like a rigid position to a product to keep like that. If slippery means no usage, so this friction material produce a grip, so there is no movement. From this product you get grip. So this type of friction material and steel plate is using in multi-clutch system. And this one run out means there is no friction. Removing time you need to check out this friction material is bent or not. This material, if this material is run out, you need to change. One more thing, after packing of set you need to check the clearance through a feeler gauge and company providing a gap between the clutches that you need to check through a feeler gauge. Then you can understand these clutches are working properly. Clutch is packed in a drum. Like a drum, clutch is packed. And there is a shaft for one set of plate, and another disc plate need connect with drum, like one plate, one disc, one plate, one disc, one plate, one friction plate, one plate, one friction plate. Same like construction is fitted in a clutch system. And for acting this, using a piston here, this piston forward pushing to lock together, bind together, so that this drum, that internal shaft will engage, otherwise it will not engage. This shaft will rotate freely and this drum will rotate freely. When the piston is act, this lock, that is what this shaft and this drum will rotate, like rotate and together rotate. For a forward clutch or a direct clutch system, I already told you that different clutches and one reverse. These systems are working because of the locking. When the forward and direct clutch is tightened together means this one is forward and another one is direct clutch. This two systems locked means your input shaft to output shaft 1:1 ratio power. So you get maximum speed, that is called 3-speed transmission, forward, highest speed of 3rd speed. That is depend upon the speed increasing, depend upon the acceleration of your pedal and your engine power, and decreasing also depend upon the acceleration and deceleration. And one more thing, here this new latest transmissions using a special clutch device to produce without a functioning of torque converter. So what is happening? Torque converter loss is reducing, so maximum output is getting through this way without torque converter, because torque converter giving torques, that is true, but some cases if you want more mileage, more performance in a high speed, some companies providing an electronic device to operate this clutch working after getting full power to the output from input shaft to output shaft. Okay.